Well, how in the world are you?
Oh, I'm good, Mr. Rick. How are you?
I'm doing good too.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing good too. Was Christmas good to you?
It was awesome. I loved every minute of it.
Yep, it was good to me too.
Yeah.
I got to go visit with my daughter down in Mobile. I got to visit with my brother, and
it don't get no better.
Pretty good.
All right.
All right. Well, look here.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I have heard some good dad jokes. Some of them were sent in, so I wrote some of them down here. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go through a couple of these. You know, some people wrote them in, like Tammy. She always does.
All right.
A couple other people. So here's what we got going on. Remember, these are what?
They're dad jokes. That's a bad joke.
Which equates to bad jokes, right?
All right. Yeah.
I love this first one though. Tammy sent this one in. What do you call a bear with no teeth?
What do I call a bear with no teeth?
A gummy bear. I love that one.
Oh, man.
You're right, that is
That's
good.
a good one there.
All right, what did the pepperoni say when he was coming out of the hospital?
What did the pepperoni say coming out of the hospital? I don't know.
I'm cured.
I'm cured.
Yeah, I know that.
That's kind of
What do you do?
I don't know.
Okay, how about this one?
All right.
And I don't get this one.
Okay.
Okay. What did Sushi A say to Sushi B?
I didn't know they talked.
What's up, B?
Oh, I don't know about that one now. I don't know about that.
I don't get that
What's
neither.
up, Susie B? I don't get it.
What do you call a pig that slaps you?
What do you call a pig that's like
Pork chop.
pork chop?
I think I'd heard that one too.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I heard that. Yeah.
What do you call a funny chicken?
What do I call a funny chicken?
Right.
I don't know.
A comedy hen.
A comedy hen.
Yeah, I know. That's why they call these dad jokes. All right. Have you got any of them?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Let me hear them.
Okay, well, why did the tomato blood?
Why did the tomato blood?
That's right.
I don't know.
Well, because he saw the salad dressing.
Oh. I think I've told that one on here. I'm not sure.
I have.
That's pretty good. All right, give me that.
All right, where do football players go to get new jerseys? New uniforms. Good Lord.
Football players get new uniforms.
Yeah, that's it. New Jersey.
Oh.
Yeah, you did know it. Apparently, you
I should have known that one. Yeah, okay. All right, give me
what
that.
the lawyer name is baby?
Wait a minute, I think I know this one. Sue.
Yeah, that's right. You knew.
That's a given, ain't it?
Uh-huh.
All right, one more.
What did the big flower say to little flower?
What did the big flower say to the little flower?
Well, it said, hello, bud.
Hello, bud. I like that one. I tell you what, you go ahead and tell your long joke since you're telling them already, okay? All right, I'm listening.
All right, well, one time there was this zoo, and this man worked at the zoo, and they had a gorilla that died, and he was the main attraction. And so the man says, I don't know what we're going to do, but he said, I'll pay you $100 if you'll put this gorilla suit on, and you get into the cage there and act like a gorilla until we can...
A gorilla suit?
Yeah, until we can buy another one.
Okay.
And he said, all right.
Okay.
But one day, that worked real good for a couple of months, and they got a whole bunch of people coming in.
Okay, well, that's good.
They got a whole bunch of people coming in, but all of a sudden, pretty much stopped. So he said, well, I need to do something that's going to be thrilling. And so he got out of his cage, and you know how they got this net up above a line? So he gets up there and he's crawling around in front of the line there, and all of a sudden he slipped and fell down.
Oh, no, man.
Yeah, he fell down. And then he started calling, oh my God, there's a lion in here, go eat me up. And the lion come over to him like he was going to pounce on him. He said, hey, shut up, man. You going to get us both fired.
He's going to fire us both. Oh,
yeah, that's crazy.
Crazy, man. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I should have saw that coming, though, I guess.
Go ahead.
All right, well, let me tell mine.
Okay.
All right, one time there was this dog, and he was lost.
Lost
and he was walking through the jungle.
Through the jungle?
And all of a sudden, there was also a lion in the jungle.
A lion?
And the lion saw the dog.
Uh-huh.
Lion says, huh, that looks like a little easy, tasty meal.
Ooh.
So he starts walking real slow toward the dog.
Like he's gonna
The dog sees the lion coming. And he looks around and he sees a pile of bones sitting on the ground in the jungle, you know, a pile of bones there.
Okay.
So just as soon as the lion gets in earshot, the dog says, man, that was a good tasting lion.
Oh my. The lion
All of a
heard
sudden
that.
the lion stops. The lion starts thinking, wow, that must be a tougher dog than I thought it was.
Yeah.
So the old lion starts backing up.
Backing up.
Well, dog figures everything's all right, you know, but he didn't know there was a monkey up in the tree.
Up in the tree.
And the monkey saw all of it,
Oh,
you know.
okay.
And so the monkey, wanting to get in good graces with the lion, he goes to the lion and tells him all about what happened.
Oh no.
Lion looks at the monkey and says, jump on my back. We'll do this together.
They
So
can get that dog.
both of them, they're crawling up on the dog again. The dog sees them coming.
Yeah.
Just about there, when they get into earshot, the dog says, I wonder where that monkey went. I told him to bring me another lion hours ago. They both took off.
That's a smart dog, ain't it? Oh,
Except the
man.
monkey went up in the tree.
That's a smart dog right there.
That's funny right there. I don't care who
I
you
don't
are.
care who you are. That's right.
Hey, look here. I'm gonna run on.
Okay.
I got things to do, got yard work, and I will see y'all later. Thank you for showing up. Y'all have a great one. Love you, mean it.
Yep. All right, man. I guess I'll run on too. I need to do some stuff. I appreciate y'all tuning in and all. And this here is PeaRoy. Y'all be sweet. I ain't here.